Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. How logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a Bumble account. Right here, as you can see, I have already installed Bumble. I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you've opened Bumble, something like this will open up. You can sign up using Facebook or your cell number. Click whichever one you wish. But for now, I'm simply gonna continue with Facebook. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then something like this will pop up saying Bumble is requesting access to. I'm simply gonna click on continue as Tom. Now once it's verified, it's gonna ask you to set your location services. You can set it right now. But right now, I'm simply gonna select not now. It's prompting me to enter my first name and details. I'm gonna enter it. Once everything's done, let's click on this black button right here. Let's simply confirm our age. But do note that we cannot change our age later. Now let's select our gender. Once it's done, let's click on next once again. It's asking whether we want to show our gender. Well, it's completely up to you. I want to show it. In case you don't want to, click on this button right here. Let's continue. Well, I'm downloading Bumble to date, so the option is right here. In case you want to make friends, choose the second option. Again, continue. Now it's asking you whom you would like to date. Well, select whichever one you wish and click on continue. A few options like this will pop up. Select the one you wish and continue. Likewise, enter your height. For now, I'm simply gonna skip it as I do not want to add it right now. Let's select the 5 things that we're into. And this is it. Let's click on continue. Do note that you can skip this as well. Let's select what we value in a person. Once it's selected, continue once again. Then it's gonna ask you something like this. What's it like to date you? Well, you can add the first prompt, second, third. Simply hit on this add button right here and select from all of these options available. For now, I'm simply gonna click on skip. Now it's gonna ask for my photo. I need to enter it right now. I entered my photo right here. Do note that you can add other photos as well. Now once everything's done, let's click on continue. I don't want to connect my Instagram, so I'm gonna select not now. In case you want to, click on connect Instagram. It's asking for your opening move. Select from whichever one you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna skip. Let's click on got it. I accept. It's asking us to get our location. Let's click on while using the app. And then, there you go. You have successfully created your Bumble account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.